Hey there, fellow marketers and entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of developing a killer marketing strategy to promote your products or services and attract those coveted customers. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to create a plan that will skyrocket your business to success. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's start with the foundation of any successful marketing strategy: understanding your target audience. It's like hitting a bullseye with your marketing efforts. So, let's get started by identifying who your ideal customers are. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Take a moment to think about the demographics, interests, and pain points of your target audience. This information will help you tailor your marketing messages and select the right channels to reach them effectively. Consider conducting surveys, interviews, or market research to gather valuable insights. Step 2. Determine the most effective marketing channels. Now that we know who we're targeting, it's time to choose the most effective marketing channels. There are countless options available, but we'll focus on a few key ones today: social media, advertising, and content marketing. A. Social media. Social media is a powerhouse when it comes to connecting with your audience. Identify the platforms where your target audience hangs out and create engaging content that resonates with them. It's all about building a community and sparking conversations. B. Advertising. Next up, advertising. Whether it's pay-per-click, display ads, or influencer partnerships, advertising can boost your brand's visibility and reach. Set clear goals, choose the right platforms, and craft compelling ad campaigns that captivate your audience. C. Content marketing. Last but not least, content marketing. It's all about providing value to your audience while showcasing your expertise. Create blog posts, videos, podcasts, or other forms of content that educate, entertain, or solve a problem for your target audience. Remember, quality content builds trust and credibility. Step 3. Develop a compelling brand identity. Now that we have our marketing channels sorted, let's talk about developing a compelling brand identity. Your brand is the heart and soul of your business, so it's crucial to establish a consistent and memorable identity. Start by defining your brand's mission, values, and personality. What sets you apart from your competitors? Create a visual identity through a captivating logo, color scheme, and typography. Craft a brand voice that reflects your business's tone and resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key. Step 4. Consider both online and offline marketing strategies. Remember, marketing strategies shouldn't be confined to just online channels. Offline marketing can be just as powerful, depending on your business. Think about hosting events, attending trade shows, or even partnering with local businesses for cross-promotion. The possibilities are endless. Step 5. Monitor, analyze, and adapt. Alright, folks, we've covered a lot today, but let's quickly recap our steps to developing a killer marketing strategy. Graphics display recap points. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Understand who they are, what they want, and how to reach them. Step 2. Determine the most effective marketing channels. Utilize social media, advertising, and content marketing to amplify your message. Step 3. Develop a compelling brand identity. Define your brand's mission, visuals, and voice. Step 4. Consider both online and offline marketing strategies. Explore opportunities beyond the digital realm. Step 5. Monitor, analyze, and adapt. Keep track of your marketing efforts, measure results, and make necessary adjustments to optimize your strategy. And that's a wrap, folks. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to developing a marketing strategy that will attract customers and drive your business forward. But wait, there's more. We're not done yet. Let's dive even deeper into each step to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of how to develop an effective marketing strategy. Step 1. Identify your target audience. To truly connect with your audience, you need to know them inside out. Start by creating buyer personas, fictional representations of your ideal customers. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, interests, challenges, and aspirations. This will help you tailor your messaging and ensure it resonates with your target audience. Once you have your buyer personas, conduct market research to gather insights. Utilize surveys, interviews, and social media analytics to better understand your audience's preferences, pain points, and behavior. The more you know, the more effectively you can communicate with them. Step 2. Determine the most effective marketing channels. Now that you know who your audience is, it's time to choose the right marketing channels to reach them. Remember, not all channels are created equal, and what works for one business may not work for another. So, let's explore some key marketing channels. A. Social media. Social media is a goldmine for reaching and engaging with your target audience. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube are just a few platforms to consider. Understand which platforms your audience frequents and tailor your content accordingly. Use a mix of organic posts, paid ads, and influencer partnerships to maximize your social media presence. B. Advertising. Advertising allows you to amplify your message and reach a wider audience. Consider platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. Define your advertising objectives, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads. Craft compelling ad campaigns that speak directly to your target audience's needs and desires. C. Content marketing. Content is king. Creating valuable and relevant content positions you as an authority in your industry. Start a blog, produce videos, launch a podcast, or create downloadable resources. Ensure your content aligns with your audience's interests and addresses their pain points. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to attract and engage your target audience. Step 3. Develop a compelling brand identity. Your brand identity is the soul of your business, the personality that resonates with your audience. Let's delve into the key aspects of developing a compelling brand identity. A. Define your brand's mission, values, and personality. Clearly articulate your brand's mission, what you aim to achieve, and the values you stand for. Your brand's personality should align with your target audience's aspirations and resonate with their emotions. Are you playful, professional, or adventurous? Define your unique brand voice that sets you apart from competitors. B. Create a visual identity. Visuals are powerful communicators. Design a captivating logo that embodies your brand's essence. Choose colors that evoke the right emotions and typography that reflects your brand's personality. Consistency in visual elements across all your marketing channels helps establish a recognizable and memorable brand identity. C. Craft a brand voice. Your brand voice is how you communicate with your audience. Is your tone friendly, authoritative, or conversational? Develop guidelines for your brand voice to ensure consistency in all your written and verbal communications. This will build trust and familiarity with your audience. Step 4. Consider both online and offline marketing strategies. While online marketing dominates today's landscape, offline marketing can still play a significant role in your strategy. Let's explore a few offline marketing tactics. A. Events and trade shows. Hosting or participating in events and trade shows provides valuable face-to-face interactions with potential customers. It allows you to showcase your products or services and establish personal connections. Be strategic in choosing events that align with your target audience and industry. B. Print and direct mail. Don't underestimate the power of print materials and direct mail campaigns. They can be impactful and memorable. Design eye-catching brochures, flyers, or catalogs that showcase your offerings. Personalize your direct mail campaigns to make a lasting impression. C. Local partnerships. Forge partnerships with local businesses that complement your offerings. Collaborate on co-marketing initiatives, cross-promotions, or joint events. This can expand your reach within the local community and tap into existing customer bases. Step 5. Monitor, analyze, and adapt. Once your marketing strategy is in motion, the work doesn't stop. It's crucial to continuously monitor and analyze your efforts to ensure you're on the right track. Set key performance indicators, KPIs, based on your objectives. Monitor metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Analyze the data to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Be ready to adapt and adjust your strategy as needed. Marketing is an iterative process, and learning from your successes and failures is key to achieving long-term success. Phew, that was a whirlwind of information, but now you have a comprehensive roadmap to develop your marketing strategy. Remember, it's a dynamic process that requires continuous refinement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. Until next time, keep rocking those marketing strategies.